So, you want a guy to think about you all the time, but not sure how to do it? Hello, Queens. My name is Greta Bereisaite, and I'm a ladies relationship coach. And I help ladies like you how to become a woman of high value and bring out the best in your man. So, ladies, for the best happy relationship secrets, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Wednesday and Sunday. So you feel like he's not paying much attention to you, doesn't listen when you speak, doesn't ask about your day, and it looks like his interest is fading away. Ladies, no problem. By the end of this video, I will have 3 proven high value techniques that you will be able to apply straight away and will get a man not only think about you all the time, but increase his love and attraction for you immediately. Step 1, be mysterious. Ladies, if you are talking to him all day, every day, sharing your feelings, sharing your emotions, and each step that you take during the day, not only that you are becoming an open book, but you're also showing too much interest, giving him too much safety and security, plus making him bored of you. How? Well, mystery is the power of seduction, not an open book. Actually, ladies, think about the songs that men write about women. Have you ever heard a song where a man was singing, "I love you because you share all your feelings with me and talk to me all day, every day"? Or do those songs usually go as mysterious woman, mystery woman, mysterious girl? You get the point? I actually have a video for you ladies where I'm sharing the detailed tips on how to add a bit of mystery in a relationship. And it's called How to Get a Man Go Crazy Over You, which you can find just by following the link right here, and I will also put it down in the description below. Step 2, control your emotions. When you are with him, if you nag that he doesn't give you enough of attention and it's always on his phone, if you complain that he doesn't talk to you anymore, if you control him by asking his every single step or who is he talking to, if you get jealous, cry, are upset and unhappy with him majority of time, why would he think of you non-stop? He will likely be more than happy to get away from you and try not to think about you at all. I mean, would you keep thinking of a person that only gives you negativity and drama? Okay, you might be thinking about them, but would those thoughts be positive and happy or negative and off-putting? Actually, ladies, let me know in the comments below which part of emotional control you struggle the most. I would love to see your comments. Ladies, a man will give you what he wants to give you freely. You cannot make him give you more by nagging, complaining, and controlling. Therefore, control your emotions, enjoy the moment, be happy, think positive, have fun with him. After a date like that, not only he will remember you and think about you non-stop, but his attraction towards you will also increase and he will start to pursue you plus give you more. Ladies, I would really recommend you to take my self-awareness test. Are you a low value or a high value woman? Which you can find totally free on my website. When you will take this test, you will understand how men see you in their eyes. High value relationship material or low value fun only. And the test comes up as a pop-up on my website ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, so make sure not to exit it. Step 3, be a challenge. Ladies, put yourself first. Go for your goals, go for your dreams. Chase your passion, not be guy. Be a queen. Queens do not chase men. Queens build empires and focus on their own and others' happiness. Ladies, quality men look for queens that we need to pursue and fight for, because men love a challenge. And ladies, by challenge, I do not mean a competition. I mean you being in your feminine energy and letting a man feel like the man that he is by complementing one another. Ladies, how to be a challenge naturally without playing hard to get, please watch my video right here, and I will also put it down below right there. So ladies, now you know how to make a man think about you all the time. But what about him not just thinking about you, but also making him fall in love with you? Ladies, please watch my video how being yourself will make him fall in love, which you can find just by following the link right here and down below in the description. Also, my queens, if you want to join a community full of women just like you who are practicing how to be high value woman by following my relationship secrets, please join my Facebook group called Greta's High Value Women's School. So ladies, if you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it with your fellow ladies, and comment below with helpful if this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, my queens. Kisses from London. Mwah.